P, Q and R invested in a business in the ratio 6:8:9 if Q invested for a period whose numerical value is 112.5% of Q's investment, but P and R invested for 1 year. If profit of Q at the end of the year is 6750, then what is the share of profit of R? Alright, so we are given that P, Q and R invested in a business in the ratio 6:8:9. So the ratio of investment of P, Q and R here is 6:8:9. Alright, now if Q invested for a period whose numerical value is 112.5% of Q's investment, but P and R invested for 1 year. Now P and R invested for 1 year, that means P and R invested for 12 months. But Q's time period here is 112.5% of Q's investment. So let's calculate the time period of Q here. Q invested 112.5% of Q's investment. Q's investment here is of 8. So now let's solve this. So we remove this decimal point and add another 0 here. Now this can be simplified with 25. So 25 4s are 100, 12 remaining, and 25 5s are 125. Again 25 4s are 100, 0. And this can again be simplified with 5 9s are 45, 5 8s are 40, 8 cancelled. So we get the time period of Q, which is 9 months. Alright, so P invested for 12 months, Q invested for 9 months, and R invested for 12 months. Now question is telling me that if profit of Q at the end of the year is 6750, then what is the share of the profit of R? Now profit will be distributed among P, Q and R on the basis of their investment and the time period of their investment, right? So P's investment here is of 6, and P invested this 6 for 12 months. Q's investment here is of 8, and Q invested this 8 for 9 months. And R's investment here is of 9, and R invested this amount for again 12 months. So profit will be distributed among P, Q and R in this ratio only. Alright, so now let's simplify this. So let's cancel out M first. Then we can simplify with 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Again we can simplify this with 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, and again 4 3s are 12. 3 3 3 gone. So we are left with 2:2:3. Now profit will be distributed between P, Q and R in the ratio 2:2:3. Alright, this much is clear. We know that Q's profit at the end of the year is 6750. So Q's profit here is 2, but this 2 is equals to 6750. Then what is the share of profit of R? So R's profit here is of 3. So what will this 3 be equals to? If 2 is equals to this, then what will 3 be equals to? Let's assume it is X. Now let's calculate for X here. We'll do cross multiplication. So we get 6750 multiplied by 3 divided by this 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 1 2 7s are 14, 1 2 5s are 15. So 3375 into 3 will give me 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 22, 3 3s are 9, 11, and 3 3s are 9, 10. So 10,125 is the profit share of R, and this is our required answer. So here option D, 10,125 is the correct one.